Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy the Logical Dude, hanging out here on a rainy Sunday. So I figured we'd do some Sunday fun day action here. Gonna be playing some Splinterlands, looking at the markets, looking at some trade setups, that kind of thing. So what I am actually looking at here, other than some trading view ads, is Bitcoin is starting to actually take a drop. And so I'm actually going to come in here and take a quick short, because what I'm looking at here on my volume profile is that our point of control for this time frame here is really right down here around this 27,000 range, and I feel like we're getting rejected up here. And you see that we got us a bit of a downtrend here, starting a downtrend on our momentum oscillators. Here on the 5-minute time frame, I do have a sell going on. So what I am going to do is we're going to pop on over here, and instead of starting out with Splinterlands, I'm going to pop on over here to the Apollo X. I've got an order kind of getting set up here. I'm just going to kind of jump in on a market order. I do want to check the volume here, or the depth charts here, because actually that tells a big story on your exchange. So if you're using a bit different exchange than what you're using on your charts, then it may tell a little bit different story. All right, so do have a little bit of a gap going on here. Trying to find the best entry points possible, especially because, like, I could go and set a limit, but I could also miss my entry point too, and I would hate to miss my entry point on this. Well, here's kind of what I'm looking at on these time frames anyway. So let's switch back over here and let's take a look. This is Bitcoin on the 5-minute. You can also zoom out to the 15-minute. You can see something very similar here. We're getting this double topish kind of situation going on here, losing momentum in this little uptrend. So that's what I'm actually looking at. And you can see here on our 15-minute time frame that we're about to be crossing over into a sell signal down here on our market cipher indicator. And we're also getting the same, we're getting confirmation. So, it's no like divergence or anything. We're straight up getting confirmation that we're getting back into a short-term downtrend here. What I do want to look at on the higher time frames real quick is kind of what I'm looking at, more of like a midterm situation. So this is going to be a short-term pullback that I'm looking at playing here, because I'm looking here at the volume profile, and let's zoom out a little bit. This is the 4-hour time frame, all right? So I get a much more wider view, of data here. All right, so we see that this is a really heavy area of volume. So this is where a lot of money is coming in and wanting to buy and sell at, is in this area right here. And generally what tends to happen is when we do pop down, you see what's happening down here. They're running out of gas. There's nothing else to sell. So we got a lot of buying. We got some buying coming in and popping this up, but we are hitting our head on some, getting into some resistance range with some higher volumes. This may push us down temporarily, but then pull us eventually back up to this, what is called the point of control. All right, so this white line here on my little indicator is the point of control. So this is the highest level of volume. You can see where that's where the market's trying to find the fair value of Bitcoin right now. All right, so that is what I'm looking at on a longer term. You can actually zoom out to the daily as well, and this actually tells a whole other story that we could be looking for a pop back up eventually up towards this $39,000 level, which would actually be lovely. So I'm going to be playing that on the ride up too. But short-term time frames, I am looking bearish short-term. So let's get back into my 5-minute real quick, because this is as much, on these short-term time frames, as much of a video game for me as Splinterlands is. I love playing this kind of stuff. Oh, and I missed it. Oh, because I'm talking to you guys. But that is confirmation that it's going to drop and is going to pop back down here to our moving average. Do I want to go and chase that or not? 15-minute time frame. Yeah, we're just getting the sell signal on the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this. So we are going to sell short. Playing with just $250 worth. Uh-oh, it may not let me. We'll see what happens here. I'm on my VPN on my phone here, so I'm going to see if I can jump in real fast here. All right, let's see if it'll let me. Nope. It's not going to let me because I dropped off the VPN. Okay, I'm going to do it on my phone real quick. Actually, I'm going to reload. See if it did do anything. No, it's not going to let me. All right, cool. I'm going to drop off of that. I'm going to keep watching the depth charts on here. So I'm going to do it on my phone real quick. 250. I'm going to go ahead and just jump in here. It's really actually, I'm only playing with like $25, but I'm doing 10x leverage. So there is that. So give me just a second. And I'm going to be looking at my take profit. What is it, around 27 or something? I'll say 27.6. But I'll actually set that later. The one thing that I do want to set real quick before I go and hopping into this trade is I want to see where my stop loss, 28,370. All right, yeah, we're going to jump in with that. 28,370. And we're going to sell short. And I now have an open position here. Okay, cool. All right. I got my VPN on my phone turned on, and it is working here. I couldn't do the VPN on the computer while I'm live streaming, so there's that. All right, so we're going to get over here. So I am in this trade, and I'm going to ride this down for a little bit. And we're going to be looking to take some profits. Where am I going to take profits at? I'm going to be looking to take some profits out right around, I don't know, maybe 27.6. Not going to get too greedy. But yeah, I think we're going to ride this down to around 27.6 maybe. Let's go back down here to my 5-minute time frame. I'm officially in the green on this trade so far. All right, yeah, I need this to keep coming down. We may actually get a bounce on this 5-minute moving average here. There is a lot of volume there, but I think it's going to continue to break down to around this $27,000, $500 level. We may end up dropping to that, so I'm going to be taking profits around that point. So I'm going to be watching it, and so yeah, that's what's going on. Trade is in action. I'm in it, and I'm currently in profit. So heck yeah, if you can see that, currently already in some green action here. So, all right, live trading right here on CoinLogic TV, Logical Dude. So you can watch me on CoinLogic TV on YouTube. That also gets you to CoinLogic TV on Odyssey. But I'm going to be posting the replay of this on the Logical Dude account. It'll get reblogged on CoinLogic TV. on CoinLogic Online account, that kind of thing on Hive. But really trying to just do most of my posting on the Logical Dude account for now on 3speak.tv. So that's where the replay is going to be posted. First is 3speak.tv. I'll post it on YouTube and stuff later on. So that gives you some incentive to come and play around with Hive. Anyway, all right, let's get back over to Splinterlands, which is another incentive to come and play around on Hive blockchain. The best social blockchain out there. Really, we have everything. We are creating an entire Web3 economy. So that is actually one thing I have to do later is I have an e-commerce platform built on Hive called HiveList. I've got a new store supplier for our HiveList store where people can come and buy physical real-world items with cryptocurrency. We don't even accept fiat anymore. My payment processors basically cut me off because we were selling NFTs, and they considered me a restricted business, so they closed my account. So it's all crypto payments for us here. We have a print-on-demand service to where I do, basically I'm the middleman for like Printful, Printify, and things like that. We put your items on the store. People pay in crypto. I pay vendors out in HBD, and I just handle all the middleman stuff in between. So for everybody. So anyway, Hive is awesome. Come check out, get your account. The logical dude, that is my wallet account kind of thing. It's pretty cool stuff, man. It makes it really easy to use. So we're going to get in here to Splinterlands, which is actually the top blockchain game in the world here. And I am a novice. I am going to go ahead and straight up tell you I am really not all that great. But, I'm going to keep it rolling. I like to play just because it's a fun game to play. I don't expect to make a ton of money out of it. I just enjoy the game itself. I do rent a lot of my cards out and that kind of thing. So my higher level cards, my gold foils and things like that, I actually rent out to earn the DEC token. So looks like I am not earning what I should. So I actually need to go and probably do some adjustments in my card stacks there at some point. But anyway, let's get to some battling. I now have an Earth focus. Fun. All right, so let's play this Earth game here. We'll see what's happening. All right. I shifted screens real quick. All right, so I got 23 mana. We're going to create a team. A little sluggish today. I'm going to choose my obsidian here. We got 23 mana. I'm going to use my Nectar Queen up front, actually. And then I'm going to use some magic. I'm going to put this guy out there because he actually does some healing and stuff as well. And let's see here. Take our Venari Spellsmith. There we go. Stick him up front there. Actually, no, let's protect our Goblin Psychic here. Let's kind of protect him a little bit. But we're going to play this one with some higher end cards there. Not as many. I probably should be playing the lower mana cards. But so I can get more cards out there on the table. But is what it is. This is the way we're going to play. Got some loading stuff going on here. Being a little sluggish this morning. Maybe it's just this internet connection I'm on. Trying to live stream and play all at the same time. Mama said knock you out. Uh-oh. Wrong person got knocked out, but that's all right. Boom. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Yeah, because Mama said knock you out. Some LL Cool J for you. Yeah. All right. That's a nice way to start the day. And the fact that I'm in some green on this trade right now. Hang on a second. Let me check out this, see where I'm at. All right, 2.34% gain, which is 10x. So, I mean, it's not a huge gain right now, but it's moving in my direction. That's what I want. That's what I want. It's moving in the direction that I need it to go. All right, so let's get back to a battle. 12 mana. All right, so this is a low cap battle. I like this one, and let's play. Let's see what do I got here. The 8. trying to, like, figure out. Need something up front that can take a few hits. I would like something up front that could take a few hits. Let's figure this out here. Let's put my little Biceratops up there. Alright, that gives me 4 more. Which... I guess we'll just stick the Elven Mystic in there. Or actually, no, let's go with our Venari Spellsmith. I don't want to use the starter cards. I would rather use, like, my cards. So, see what happens here. Let's play it. Playing some water action. Probably going to get my butt kicked on this lineup, but we'll see. Yeah, they played that a little definitely better than I did. Oh. I do strike first, though, as far as taking one out. Then they just took my magic out, so that's no good. But I took 2 of theirs out. Hey, I took 2 of theirs out. So, that's all I gotta say. Anyway, alright. Do that a little differently next time. 26, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so now I got 13 more to play with. So now we can load them up. Definitely gives me something else to play with. Do I do my... Alright, cool. And then, actually... seven left. Go that. We will go with that. And then I need a 1. We'll put him in the back as some protection to take a couple of hits. Why not? Or move him up to the front. Actually, that's not a bad idea. We'll move him up to the front, let him take the first few hits, and then we got the Nectar Queen that comes up after. Or do we have him as a backup? I kind of like it at the end to protect. Alright. Yeah, let's battle. There we go. Well, crap. Yeah, I didn't play that well. Alright. Yeah, he's just getting attacked from all sides. Alright. Or she. Sorry, that's Queen Nectar. I got my butt kicked on that one. Alright, well, let's not so much put the focus on the daily focus, and let's just try to win some stuff. Alright, so low mana cap battle here. 12. I hate these. Let's do this. And I want to go with my... Where's my cursed one, Deku? Where is he? Alright, and 2 more. Yeah, we'll go on Dead Badger. Why not? Let's just go. I'm not a fan of the small mana cat battles, so... Well, this is going to end up probably being a draw. Yep. Alright. 19. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, I'll go back to this. Alright, then I got 6. Alright. Let me actually, let's see, I want to go I gotta have some magic here because I'm using the magic summoner. So we'll increase her. Alright. Throw this guy in here. And then... Yeah, there we go. Take that. Yeah, we'll try that a little differently this time. Let him take the first couple of slams, like they're doing with the slime ball. Ah, they took it away. Ah. Well, it's just, I mean, Well, I'm just not doing good today. Is what it is. That's actually a pretty good lineup on the death right there with that Rift Wing. I kind of like that, actually. Huh. Oh well. At least the trade's going my way. Where are we at? Yeah, at least the trade's going in my direction. Alright. Let's flip back over here real quick. Alright, let's take a look at where our trade's at here. Yep, we are definitely moving in the right direction here. Let me take a look at my phone. Log in here to MetaMask on the phone because I'm on my VPN. Land of the free, am I right? Yeah, we can't be logged in. Can't be logged into... You know, we can't use, our money freely in the land of the free. It really sucks, It's not regulated by Uncle Gary. Let's see here. I think this is Bitcoin on Bitstamp, maybe? No, this is Coinbase. Okay. So yeah, this is moving a little slower on Apollo X than it is on Coinbase. But there it goes. Alright, yeah, no, there it goes. Alright. Yeah. It's moving about the same, really. Yep, we're in the right direction here. In the right direction. We're finally finding that 50 period moving averages. We're testing that right now. It looks like that if we can get enough push down, we're going to lose it. But this is a high volume node here. It's got a little bit of volume here, or higher volume than what we had. So you see how it just kind of dropped. There wasn't really any volume here to protect it. So we're here now. And I got a feeling if we break down through this, it's going to be steady sailing on down to where our point of control is for the 5-minute time frame, which is down here around 27,400 and something. I have not set a take profit. I only have a stop loss on this right now. So I will probably just manually take profit on this thing at some point. But just watching it. So let's real quick, while that's just kind of doing its thing, because we just got to be patient and wait. Let's actually move over here, and I want to take a look at the S&P 500. All right, so the S&P looking pretty nasty. Let's actually zoom out here to more of a 4-hour time frame. All right, so this was 2 days ago, June 10th. All right, so this was first half of the day, second half of the day. All right, so you see that it opened up and had a massive gap down. Well, eventually that will fill, okay? But opening day or intraday opening tomorrow is going to be looking kind of rough. If you move down to like the 15-minute time frame here, you see there's a clear downtrend that has, that's in play here. Now, eventually these gaps will get filled, but we got some more downside. If you look at our momentum, we just got into a sell signal over here on Friday, right before market close, and it did take a drop. So we are going to start the day with some downward momentum, because the shock of the year-over-year interest rates for the U.S. going from 8.3 to 8.6 was definitely not the direction we were wanting to see. It went up, and that caused a bunch of market shock on Friday and pulled the markets down. So that's basically what you got over here. This was all the reaction to the Fed's statements there with the interest rates and stuff. I'm a student of the economy. I don't know everything. I'm not trying to act like I know everything on that, but that's what I hear. So, and I can just tell by the technicals and knowing from, those news, from all that kind of stuff that's been going on, that this is why everything is pretty much dropping. At this point, it's basically all one trade, for the most part of it, right? So, unfortunately, Bitcoin and the crypto markets are correlated very closely to the stock markets right now, basically because everything is a risk-on asset. So it's just kind of how the play is being made right now. But yeah, so this is why I am still playing more of a bearish play right now. I'm not looking at any major up moves in Bitcoin at the moment. So that's what I will do now, is go back over here to Bitcoin. So that's why, if you see, we have a clear, here on Bitcoin, we have a clear double top. One major difference, obviously, in the markets. Crypto's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It doesn't stop. It does not stop at all. And you can lose, if you're, this happened while I was asleep. This big drop right here. This happened while I was asleep. If I was up paying attention, I might have found that and taken that short, because I'm always just kind of watching the markets here and there, because why not? This is really my life at this moment, is trying to create content, trade, and do everything else, because it's all I got. Been trying to get a job, didn't get the job I wanted with Exodus, but there were reasons behind that, and I found out some things. So it's all good. It's all good. Everything's good. I was down and out for a couple of days. Got a couple other rejection letters, like right at the same time I got the Exodus rejection letter. So it's all good, baby. It's all good. I got that out. I had to take a couple of days to just kind of like get my head back on right. So back to trading, back, full-time content creation, because it's really what it's what I got, man. It's the direction I want to go with my life at this point, because I enjoy this stuff, and if you learn how to trade and you learn how to do it right, you can just keep making money. You got to learn to trade the markets both directions. So that's why I'm really focused on learning how to do, some really good shorting and stuff. I mean, I've, had my experience in the past, but I'm really just kind of getting my feet back wet, So making some smaller trades just to kind of get the confidence built. I don't like doing paper trading or nothing like that. That's just like, I don't have any money in, So you got to put some skin in the game. So I feel like you learn better when you actually have like skin in the game. So I'm just playing with a little bit, trying to grow that little bit into something bigger, you know. And once I start getting something bigger, then I'll start making bigger plays, you know, and increasing the size of the portfolio that way. Taking some out, paying bills, what I got to do, you know. Sometimes it is what it is. It's just sometimes what you got to do in this market. You got to pay bills, you know. But that's why I got to sell some Hive later on, which really sucks and Hive drop. So, but, you know, got to take it as it comes, you know. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at as far as the markets are at play, though. Is, and it looks like I've got some struggle going on the live stream. Probably just this crappy internet connection that I'm on right now. It's actually internet connection at my kid's house, but it's raining and then where the router is, it's not too snazzy for me right now. Trying to see if bear with me a second. Trying to see if Vim was, yeah, we're still good up on Vim. All right, it's just the connection's a little slow, but looks like we got the green box going right now again, so should be all right. So the weather plays a little bit with this internet connection that I'm on. So let's get back to some Splinterlands game action. All right, let's get back into a battle here. See if I can change my direction here. All right, 23 mana cap. Let's try something a little different here. Let's try this guy up front. He strikes back. That's what I like about him. Because I want to be able to add some more magic to the play here because, yeah, here we go. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. And that's what I was looking for. All right. Because my obsidian actually adds magic level. So that's why I'm trying to play this with the earth. All right, at least it's not taking any magic away, so that's good. So if I load it up with magic, I got some harder hitting dudes, you know. Oh, they had a pretty good lineup too. So let's see how this plays out. Where my music's at. Uh-oh. There it is. Right as soon as I lost my tank. But that kind of... But my magic people are going to take them out. Bam! Victory is at hand! I emerge victorious in that battle. Alright. Let's see here. I need to move up the ranks. I need to get to bronze too. Alright. Since the camera. I'm on 3-speak and Vim. It doesn't matter if a camera's on me or not. If I want to take a hit off a dab, I'm going to take a hit off a dab. So, but we're going to set this up here. All right. I'm going to keep this rolling. I like that. All right. That was actually an all right little lineup. Try that again. Da, 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 da. This time I can go with one more here. It won't be magic, but it'll be another sniper. That'll work for me. Let's play it. Hodler Squad Academy. Okay. What's up, Hodler Squad Academy? Skvad Academy. Hodler Skvad Academy. And yeah, hit me with that. Oh man, putting the shield back on. All right. So my magic kills him, gets the heart. It doesn't matter about shields with magic, which is nice, but there we go. Got the tank. Got the tank out the way. Here we go. There we go. That was a simple and easy lineup. There we go. Line them up, knock them out. Cause that's what it's all about. Boom. That was dumb. Anyway, sorry. Ain't even, well, I smoked a little bit this morning. Alright. Get into a battle here. I'm just kind of goofing around for a second. Let's check on this. Yeah, it's been kind of bouncing around. Let me actually look at my P&L on the trade itself here. Yeah, we're around 2% up right now still. Okay. Not a price. My entry price was $28,041. So, yeah, we're in a good spot. We doing all right. We doing all right. Earning a little change here. Getting some change. All right. Still like this. Still like this lineup. Instead of that, let's go that one. And then that still leaves me 3. So it gives me a chance to add a little something here to the game plan. And I think adding that little something is going to be my little Cobra guy here. Let's do that. All right. Try and get all fancy throwing a gold foil Chaos Agent. Yeah, take that. Yeah, take that. Take that. Oh, I got you back even though you took me out there. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. We gonna get him. We gonna get him. Yeah, there we go. Uh-oh. Goblin versus Goblin. With us. Victorious once again. I'm actually winning some DEC tokens. I like that. Okay, so that may have been something that they did with the new chess rewards. Instead of that, they're actually bringing some DEC back to the bronze too. I like that. Okay. I see what y'all are doing, Splinterlands. Got a new candle that just started. It's just kind of dancing, but we're about to get some push down. It's just going. It's inevitable. It's in a downtrend, so we just gonna keep riding that downtrend. Yeah, look at all that. Boom, look at all that. Yeah, let's go. Okay. All right. It's all good. 17 mana cap. Where we gonna go here? Where we gonna go? Huh? I say we just throw that as the tank. Throw this guy behind there and throw here. There we go. That's why I'm going to play that one. Oh, I should have played the other one in front of the goblin. I should have played the goblin in the back. So that way, if the other one would moved up to the front, then he would have been healing the other one too. Okay. What's that? I've never seen that summoner. What is that? Does that mean all his dudes get strike back? Oh, they do. Oh, that sucks. Glad that I have no melee options going on, but they're murdering my dudes. Anyway. Alright, I'm gonna get them. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Strike, please. Thank you. Strike, please. Thank you. Yeah, you missed. And I still emerge victorious. That is a really cool summoner, though, that all of them get that strike back thorns. That's really nifty. I'm glad I know that that exists. I kind of want to go shopping now for a summoner. He probably costs a lot, though. I'm almost there. Let's see if I can get to bronze 2, guys. Let's see if I can get to bronze 2. I hadn't done that in a while. Let's see if we can get there. Not worried about this trade right now. This trade's doing its thing. It's going in the right direction. Looks like they're playing the same focus as we are today. Let's see if I can pick a better team, though. Let's see if I can pick a better team. I do like that all. Like, I want to put that guy up front. Okay, no. Put that guy up front, put that guy. And then 2 more. Sure. Let's throw my Zenith Archer in the back just because, yeah, why not? Alright. Yeah. Uh-oh. Let's see how we play it versus each other here. Let's see who plays it smarter. This is gonna be fun. Let's see what happens here. Ah! Crap. Yeah. I shouldn't put that goblin in second place. Yeah, I played that wrong. They played that way better than me. Alright, that's alright. That's alright, yeah. Played that way better than me. It's alright. We'll try. We'll keep trying. Just gotta keep going. Gotta keep going with it. Gotta keep going with it. Alright, and we looking good on the trade still. Got that downward pressure going, baby. Woo, yeah. Let's go back over here, trade and view charts, 5-minute time frame. And yeah, we getting some bearish downward pressure here. Alright. Maybe. It's still, yeah, I mean, it's got to break through here. Because, actually, let's take a break from the Splinterlands for just a second. Pop back over to this other screen where we're going to take a look at this chart real quick. Alright, so this, let me get rid of my little double top here because we can obviously see what that is right now. Alright, we're at the 45-minute mark for this stream and recording here, so I got about 15 minutes to go because, you know, I like to do these for about an hour. But yeah, watching this is looking pretty nice here. Pretty nice. I'm going to reeval once we get down towards this 50 period moving average. But yeah, this is looking pretty lovely. This is on the 15-minute time frame here. Let's actually zoom out and look on the 5-minute. And yeah, that pretty much lines up with our point of control there with that huge volume node that we were seeing on the 15-minute just a second ago. So yeah, it looks like it's trying to do a little retest of this moving average here on the 5-minute, but it's failing, and it's going to drop. And it is actually, yeah, we're losing that. We got a lot of sell pressure right here. That's what all this is. And we're getting ready to break down. We will be coming back down to this level, so I will be looking at taking profits there. I'll probably try to be looking at taking profits somewhere around this level here, which will give me a 2.12% gain. But at 10x leverage, that's a 20% gain. That's what I'm looking at. So, working the Po' Boy challenge, you know, the $200 to $2,000 challenge. Now, my bit that's in DeFi right now is probably taking a bit of a hit. So, but it's just sitting there still trying to churn me out cake, which I actually have to use for trading fees. So, there was a process in choosing how to do that. But I am playing with just like $100 here and then $100 in DeFi, trying to see. Basically, I'm going to try to trade up, put the profit into DeFi, trade up, profits into DeFi, trade up, profits into DeFi, trade up, profits into DeFi, rinse, repeat. You know, that's pretty much what I got going on here. All right, anyway. 26 mana cap. Uh-oh. 0 time left. I think I lost that one. Probably so. Let's yeah. Okay. Yep. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, I lost. Okay. My bad. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't realize I already started a new game. Anyway, alright. Let's go back now. Let's pay attention. Let's try this again. Alright, 26 mana. Nice. Yeah, see, I like playing with this one as a big fat tank. Now we can play this one behind it and put our goblin behind that. Put her. I like her in the back as a protection. Yeah, because I want to kind of protect the goblin psychic. So we'll play it like that. We will be playing it like that. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's do it. All right. Uh-oh. Well, at least I'm going to take their tank out. All right, yeah, at least I got healed. There we go. Yeah, we just going to one at a time. Just try to knock them. Uh-oh. Yeah, you thought you were going to do it. Yeah, there we go. I'm loving this. Oh, magic, man. I'm destroying it right now. All right. I shouldn't say that. I'm going to turn around and get my ass kicked next. It's all good. It's all good, man. I was just playing. Hey, I'm happy to be making it up into the higher ranks here, hopefully. Let's see if I can win another 1 or 2 to get me up in that bronze 2 level. Alright, and let's see here. 25, so we can basically do that again. And instead of her in the back, let's throw our mycelic morphoid in the back as a protectionary measure there, and then we'll battle that. pretty nasty little line. Let's see what happens here. Basically a repeat of what I just played. Ah, except they just took my dude out quick. Yeah, this one definitely failed. Yeah, definitely lost that one. Alright. Well, that one didn't work out the same way. Woo! It's going to be a battle to get up that bronze, too. It's like the last few battles to get there. Just a pain in the ass. Alright. Ooh, 30 mana cap. Let's do this. Alright. Yeah, I'm loading this thing up here. We're going to go boom. We're going to go boom. We're going to go boom. I got, what, 6 more that I can do? All right. And then her behind there. There we go. All right. Let's see if this works out this time. Looks like there's some people got a life focus going. All right. Let's see who's going to play this out right. I don't like that one. Ah! Ah! They keep taking out my freaking people. Alright, that lineup's not working against this life lineup. That sucks. Okay. I have to do that a different way. Yeah, I just keep getting knocked back. Damn it. Oh well. Doesn't look like I'm going to make it up to bronze 2 in this stream. But that's alright. We got 25 mana cap. I forgot what I didn't even look and see what I was playing. I'm just going to roll with it. Why not? Or we try something a little different. But maybe let's try this guy up front. And then maybe this guy. And then maybe this guy. And then maybe this. And then maybe this. There we go. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we change it up a little bit. Man, it's like the same exact lineup. Like, how's everybody playing the exact same lineup? I don't get that. These are... Alright, this is looking like I'm playing a bunch of bots at this point. Yeah, this looks like I'm playing a bunch of bot accounts at this point. Because they're... Yeah. I don't know. Alright, we're going to try one more here, and then we're going to get back to taking a look at the trade, and then we're going to close things out. So we'll play one more here. This is a bunch of fire. Alright, yeah, I'll play fire with this. Actually, let me go fire versus water for a second. Let me just change it up. Just change it up, because why not? Lower mana cap here. I don't know. Why did I change it up? Because why not? That's why I changed it up. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, let's kill that guy right off the bat, please. Thank you. Alright. I don't know where my music's at, but there it goes. I do believe that I will emerge victorious for the last battle of the day. I guess you gotta change it up to beat the bots. You know, you gotta change it up every now and then to confuse them. All right, well, that works. I'll end on a win there. Looks like my trade is definitely going in my direction here. We have got this 20 and 50 period moving average that are getting ready to cross in the bearish direction here. Let me go in here and I'm going to check my trade. And let's go ahead and pop back over here and we're going to look at the good charts here. Get my Face ID action here. All right. Yeah, so you see we came up, we had this little retest of the 50 period moving average here. Again, this is on the 5-minute chart, and then we were starting to get that move to the downside here. So still a pretty decent amount of volume, so we're going to battle here for a minute from the looks at it. Yeah, to get back in here and connect my wallet. So I can see where my trade's at. Fun times playing with VPNs and stuff, you know. All right. Yeah, I'm 4.29% up in the trade right now, so that's good stuff. I like being green. I only made $1 so far, but you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm playing small amounts, but hopefully I'm going to be I'm waiting on, you know, the bigger drop. So it's all about being patient, you know. So little amounts of money, you know, they all add up eventually. So yeah, we're about to get some downward movement here. You see where it's just really, you know, becoming indecisive and about to be turning into a down signal. It does look here on the momentum that we did get a little bit of a buy signal here. So that's maybe trying to push up. Let's go take a look at our volume profile here if we can get it over. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, it's not a lot of buyers. It's more sellers than buyers right now. So definitely more sell volume than buy volume. So it's going in the right direction. It's going in the way that I want. Yeah, you just gotta be patient with stuff on, you know, how it works. Let's go take a look at the 1 minute just for shiz and giggles, you know. Uh-oh, that was not what I wanted to move, but we don't actually even need that anymore. I really only did that short thing to find a good stop loss position. Which once, yeah, so this is the 1 minute time frame. Yeah. It wants to come back to this little point of control, which is basically what we were looking at as the 50 period on the 5 minute. So, but it's breaking down. It's breaking down below it. We're getting through these higher nodes here, these higher volume nodes. Yeah, I'm actually gonna let's increase this here. Getting to where I'm just kind of using these as a guide versus like following them so much. But yeah, this is the volume profile has really been playing out pretty hardcore. I've been really liking using this. So we got some buy going on the 1 minute. But still following the 5 minute here. And I know that we're going to come down to that point of control. Down at 27,463. So I'll be looking to take profit around, 27,500, somewhere around that area. That's where I'm looking at taking profits at. Hopefully I can make a little bit of money on this, if not, just try to keep adding to the trading balance, because I am 4-1. I did lose a trade. It was more or less me being a little greedy, got a little revenge trade, hit bad entry, and then I just stopped paying attention. I actually left it going and went on the road, and it hit my stop loss. We had a little pump retest, and it hit my stop loss when I wasn't paying attention. So it is what it is, but I'm 4-1 on my trades so far with my little trading challenge here. That one loss did set me back a little bit, but I'm still up, like 26% in the account since I started. So if I can just keep going up, that's what I'm looking for. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for the live stream. You guys have a great rest of the day. You can always find the replay. Will be posted on 3speak.tv pretty soon, so go and check that out. So if you missed the live stream, don't worry about it. It is on 3speak. You can also find me on YouTube and Odyssey, which is another... Odyssey is not decentralized. Sorry. I'm going to say it. Library and Odyssey are really not decentralized. So really, 3speak, come and check us out there. That's where we want to be. But I am on those other places too. So you guys have a great one. Be cool. Be real. Always abide. And do not get wrecked out there. Play some games. Earn. Have a good time, because bear markets are bear markets. And if we learn to trade them up and down, then we can still make money. Peace out, guys.